M. NARASIMHARAO, lecturer in physics. Today I am explaining one problem from ray optics chapter, exercise number 9.5, class 12 physics. A small bulb is placed at the bottom of a tank containing water to a depth of 80 centimeter. What is the area of the surface of water through which light from the bulb can emerge out? Refractive index of water is 1.33. Consider the bulb should be point source. Water tank. There is a water tank. In this water tank, some water is present. From the surface of the water at a depth of 80 centimeter. From the surface of water at a depth of 80 centimeter, a small bulb is arranged. This bulb we are taking as point source. From the surface of the water to this bottom of the surface, this depth is given as 80 centimeter. I am taking as a height. From, if you are observing from bottom, it is a height. If you are observing from the top surface, it is the depth. Both are same. This depth is given as 80 centimeter. This depth is given as 80 centimeter. I am taking as a height. This depth is 80 centimeter. H is equal to 80 centimeter. Depth. H is equal to 80 centimeter, nothing but I am at 0.80 meter. If it is divided with 100, it is converted into meter. Now this angle I am calling as the critical angle. The reason is, if you draw one normal to this water surface, this incident light ray is making some angle with the normal. We are calling as angle of incidence. This angle we are calling as angle of incidence, that is equal to critical angle. And this critical angle, angle of refraction is equal to 90 degrees. This refracted light ray is grazing the water-air interface. It is touching both the media. Particular angle of incidence in this denser medium we are calling as critical angle. Now first of all, now this is the circular bright patch we are observing from the air. Now first they are asking what is the area of this circular bright patch. This angle is critical angle, means this angle also critical angle. The reason is these two are alternate angles. This is the circular bright patch. And now above this if the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, again the light ray is reflected into the water. The light ray is not coming into the air. We cannot observe the light. Below this critical angle, if the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle, the light rays are traveling from water to air. Refraction takes place. We are observing in the form of circular bright patch. They are asking what is the area of this circular bright patch. This is the radius of the circular bright patch. Now, this is the water. Air. Water we are calling as a denser medium. The reason is it's a refractive index. Refractive index of water is given as 1.33 with respect to air. Air is the rarer medium. Its refractive index is 1. Its refractive index is less. Hence, air we are calling as a rarer medium, water we are calling as a denser medium. Light ray is traveling from denser to rarer medium. Light ray, refracted light is bending away from the normal at a particular angle of incidence. Angle of refraction is a 90. Corresponding angle of incidence we are calling as critical angle. Below, if angle of incidence is less than the critical angle, we are observing the light. Now, if you are observing from the air, if the angle is greater than the critical angle, again the light rays are reflected into water. We cannot see. We are observing the light in the form of bright patch. R is the radius of the circular bright patch. Now please listen here. We are having one formula. Now refractive index of water is equal to refractive index of water with respect to air. Refractive index of water is given with respect to air. That is given as mu is equal to 1.33. We are having one formula. Refractive index is equal to 1 by sine theta c, where theta c is the critical angle. Theta c is the critical angle. Now please listen here. Sin theta c comes to numerator, mu comes to denominator. That implies sin theta c is equal to 1 by mu. 1 by refractive index of water 1.33. 1 by 1.33. 1 by 1.33 is equals to 0.7518. I am taking a 0.75. Nothing but 0.75 I am taking. Now please listen. Now in a logarithm book, you go through the natural sign. In the logarithm book, natural sign 0.75. In logarithm book, natural sign 0.75. 0.75. Nothing but 48 degree 36 minute. Sin theta c is equal to sin of 48 degree 36 minute. Now sin theta c is equal to sin of this one. Theta c is equal to 48 degree 36 minute. This is the critical angle for water air interface. It is the right angled triangle. For this theta it is opposite, it is adjacent side. I am taking tan theta c. Tan theta c is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta c is equal to theta c के opposite side is nothing but a radius of the circular bright patch R. R means radius of circular bright patch. Radius of a circular bright patch. Circular bright patch. Inside, light ray is emerging outside. Adjacent side. For this theta, adjacent side is nothing but a depth. Nothing but a depth. H. Now, here no one is there, 1. On cross multiplication, 1 into R, H into tan theta, H tan theta. R is equal to H. H means depth of the bulb, depth of the water, depth of the bulb. It is given as 80 centimeter, 0.80 meter. H 0.80 meter. Tan of critical angle 48 degree 36 minute. 48 degree 36 minute. Degree 36 minute means 1.1343. 1.1343. 1.1343. That is equal to 0.80 into 1.1343 is equal to 0.907, 0.91. R is equal to 0.91 meter. This is the radius of the circular bright patch. It is the radius of the circular bright patch. We got a radius of the circular bright patch is equal to 0.91 meter. Now, they are asking. Now, light is emerging out from water to air in the form of a circular bright patch. We got the radius. Radius of the circular bright patch is 0.91 meter. They are asking what is the area of circular bright patch. Nothing but area of the circle. They are asking the area of the circle. Area of the circle means pi r square. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Pi 22/7. R radius of the circular path 0.91. R radius of the circular path 0.91. Square I am writing square. 22/7 3.14 into 0.91 into 0.91 into 0.9, nothing but 2.60 meter square. Area of the circular bright patch is equal to area of the circular bright patch is equal to 2.60 meter square. Thank you.